We appreciate technology for all the ways it makes our lives easier and faster. Yet, at the same time, we often find ourselves craving simplicity, especially where it comes to the room where design and comfort are key to help us unwind and relax. What's up, tech heads? Welcome back to another exciting video from TechBeast. Today, we're going to be looking at 16 of the coolest gadgets for your room which will leave you awestruck. If you want more videos of a similar kind, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you're always up to date with our very best content. Number 16. Wi-Fi Photo Frame. Experience photos in a beautiful new way with a completely reimagined connected photo frame using the Meural WiFi Photo Frame. Share your favourite photos from your phone to the frame seamlessly and effortlessly. Link existing photo albums to your photo frame and automatically upload and display. Touchless gesture controls allow you to move through photos in a wave of your hand. 15. Tabletop Fire Bowl Pit. This unique and stylish portable fire pit adds a sumptuous touch to your home, perfect for wowing your guests both inside and out. This portable bioethanol fireplace features realistic clean burning gel and adds a touch of magic to your evening. This simple and elegant appearance fits seamlessly with your patio, swimming pool, dining room, living room and full fireplace. Number 14. The Floating Moon Lamp. The Moon Lamp features precise 3D printing to create an exact replica of the moon. With touch sensor buttons, you don't have to fumble for a switch to light up the lamp. These lamps have made great additions to bedrooms and even some classrooms around the world. The lamp creates an atmosphere like no other. The brightness and colour of the light changes to fit every scene. Number 13. The Fire Bowl Pot. The Fire Bowl Pot is a simple and elegant fire pit with no ash or smoke. You can put it anywhere, perfect for your patio, living room, dining room, etc. Fueled by smokeless, odourless, clean-burning bioethanol, this ventless real flame fireplace doesn't require a chimney and is an excellent decorative, functional piece for any room of the house. Enjoy the ambience of a real fire without the inconvenience of melting wax, smoke, soot or ash. Number 12. Phone Soap 3. Phone Soap 3 houses two scientifically proven germicide UVC bulbs that completely sanitize your entire phone, killing 99.99% of all bacteria and germs. In addition, the unit offers one USB port and one USB-C port for charging. Our phones gather all the bacteria we touch through the day, and then they store them in warm, dark places like purses and pockets, leaving the bacteria to breed and grow. Number 11. Liquid Floor Tile. Want to spruce up the floor in your children's playroom? Add a dimension to your sensory room or classroom, or want to make your waiting room or office a little more interesting? The Play Learn Liquid Tiles is a simple solution for any floor. This product is great for both children and adults. These colourful gel tiles are an amazing addition to playrooms, classrooms, studios, or for any party. They turn any floor into an interactive and responsive surface. Simply walk on the tiles and the liquid moves and reacts with the pressure of your foot. Number 10. The Bubble Calendar. Keep track of the new year while putting your love of popping bubble sheets to use with this brilliant bubble wrap calendar. Every day that goes by, you will get to enjoy the pure bliss of popping a bubble off this clever calendar. Each day is covered in a bubble, so you can pop throughout the day. The bubble calendar is typeset in Helvetica Neo for easy reading and a clean, modern look. People love this calendar for the satisfaction they get every time they pop a bubble. Number 9. The Falling Bookend. The Falling Bookend supports the books at a surprising, not straight angle. The bookend is inserted in a concealed manner with the cover of the first book to be supported. Then a few additional books can be leaned on it. This creates a feel that the books are about to fall on the man's figure, who is stretching his arms towards them in a defensive position. It features a special angle that gives the illusion of books that are about to collapse. Number 8. Wi-Fi Booster. Keep your devices connected in every room. Netgear Wi-Fi Range Booster helps you keep mobile devices, media players and computers connected to Wi-Fi with a fast, reliable connection and expand coverage in every room of your home. Improve your Wi-Fi connection with range extenders that can broaden your Wi-Fi coverage. You'll be able to keep smartphones, game consoles, TVs, tablets and computers online and connected. Number 7. The Touchwish Trash Can. Don't just mask smelly garbage odours with fragrances and messy baking soda. Eliminate them. The natural carbon odour filter is included to absorb and neutralise trash odours for a fresh and clean smelling home. During lid closing, the unique refix technology automatically reopens the lid if it senses you've moved your hand back in. The space-efficient, bucket-free interior provides 25% greater capacity than similar-sized trash cans. Number 6. Touchlight. The Solai Touchlights are perfect for living rooms, bathrooms, hallways, kitchens, cabinets, stairwells, nurseries, entrances, bedrooms, wardrobes, closet, wherever. A built-in back magnet can directly stick to the metal surface. It uses 3 pieces of 3M double-sided adhesive pads and 6 pieces of metal plate that you can peel and stick. The lights won't fall due to a strong magnet, and the magnetic design will not damage your walls. Number 5. Nightlight. Have you ever dreamed of sleeping in the universe with the hug of stars? This projecting light will create a planet and a universe atmosphere on your wall and ceiling. With this awesome light, you can experience the feeling of being in the galaxy. It contains 6 lighting effects which you can set up, the colour mode pressing the buttons provided. Number 4. Smart LED Wi-Fi Strip Light. The smart LED strip lights are more vivid and brighter for various room ambience. They can free your hands to control the lights, use simple conversation starters to turn your lights on and off, set colour and make them brighter. It's currently compatible with Echo and Google Home. There's also a built-in microphone that will sync with any music coming out of your speaker or any other speaker in the room, and dance the lights along with the beat of music. Number 3. Projection Alarm Clock. The projection bedside clock with 120-degree swivel projects the time right onto your wall or ceiling for easy, stress-free viewing. And all you have to do is open your eyes. You'll always know what time it is without compromising your comfort zone. The projection alarm clock has a USB charging port for mobile phones. Now you can enjoy the convenience of having your device charged alongside your LED alarm clock while sleeping. Number 2. LED Light Cube. This durable LED light-up cube seat is a fun addition that is perfect for any decor. The extremely sturdy polythene cube looks like a plain white cube until you turn it on, and then the fun really begins. Watch the colours change and fade when you switch on the rechargeable remote control LED glowing cube. And number 1. Fridge Cam. Fridge Cam is the world's first wireless camera that can be placed inside any refrigerator, allowing you to see the contents of your fridge from anywhere via the free Smarter app. The Fridge Cam takes a photo every time you open and close your fridge door and sends it to your smartphone, so you can always see what you need. It has a best before tracker to keep on top of the expiry dates and push notifications to remind you to consume items before they go bad. And that's it for our list. Do let us know which gadgets you like the most in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, hit the notification so you're always up to date with our very best content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.